Oh, don't you remember, 'twas a long time ago, there were two little children, their names I don't know. They were walking along on a long summer day, got lost in the woods, I've heard people say. Now when it was night, how sad was their plight. The moon was not shining and the stars gave no light. They cried and they cried, so bitterly cried. The poor little babes laid down and they died. Then when it was morning, a robin so red brought strawberry leaves and over them spread. He sang them a song the whole summer long, for babes in the woods who had never done wrong.